Hello, my dear friend. Come on in. I'm so glad you're here. In today's little adventure to rewire our beautiful, flexible, changeable brains, we are headed to Aspen, Colorado for a ski vacation with loved ones. We are going to stay in a cozy wood cabin, and we're going to eat breakfast, and we're going to ski on the snowy slopes and have a wonderful dinner after and soak in the hot tub. Won't you come along? And a little disclaimer before we get going. So this audio is going to be raw. I'm going to do it in one take. There's going to be no editing. It's just going to be whatever it is, probably imperfect. And this is because I have 4 more days till I reach my goal of visualizing every day for 6 months. And I'm not gonna lie, it has been a stretch these last few days because of the visualizations, among other things. I have been getting my life back and I have been having fun, and I'm still doing my visualizations every morning, but it has been a little more difficult uploading and editing. And I'm also working on a sleep visualization, and those take quite a lot of time, actually. And so, yeah, I thought I was actually going to miss today because I had too much fun yesterday, and I went to game night with family and friends. I went to the movies. This morning I'm going to breakfast with a friend. And it's amazing because those are all things I visualized. I think every single one of those are in my YouTube visualization catalog. And yeah, so I have struggled with a bit of agoraphobia the last year or so this is amazing. But yeah, I keep thinking I'm going to miss a day soon. So we're going to try not to do that. I'm going to really try to hit my goal because I haven't missed any days since the beginning. So also one of my symptoms is this inflammation in my jaw that comes and goes. And it's here visiting today. It's really annoying, but it's like this clicking sound, and it's going to be there today. It's here today. So if that's annoying to you, you might want to skip this one. Okay, off we go. I am in a cabin on a ski trip with loved ones. We arrived last night just as the sun was setting behind the snow-covered mountains. It's morning, and I'm feeling rested and energized, and my body is strong and ready for the day ahead. I walk out to the dining and kitchen area where the early light is filtering through the windows, casting golden streaks across the wooden floor. From inside our warm, rustic and cozy rented cabin, I can see the slopes glowing in the golden sun. And the scent of pine drifts through a slightly cracked window, mixing with the rich, comforting smell of wood and fresh coffee, maple syrup, and something buttery baking in the oven. My loved ones are already there, chatting softly. The warmth of togetherness filling the space. And I'm so happy to be here. And I feel a sense of belonging and ease. I sit at the table, wrapping my hands around a warm mug. The steam rises, fragrant and rich, and I take a sip. It's smooth, creamy, and perfect. And then I pile my plate with a fluffy stack of pancakes, drizzled in syrup, crisp bacon, and fresh fruit. Each bite is so satisfying, filling me with energy, comfort, and gratitude for this moment. I soak it all in. The laughter, the clinking of silverware, the togetherness. It all feels so good. And after breakfast, I pull on my thermals, layering up in warm, insulated clothes. Each layer feels protective, comfortable, preparing me for the crisp mountain air. My ski jacket zips up smoothly. Gloves snugly fitted. Boots sturdy. And I feel ready. Like a big marshmallow. As I waddle my way out to the car, we pile in. Me and all my favorite people. Their presence fills me with joy and comfort. And we drive through winding mountain roads, passing snow-covered trees, their branches bending under the weight of fresh powder. And the sky is a brilliant blue, the kind that makes everything feel bright and alive. And when we arrive, the ski resort is buzzing with energy. People are moving in all directions. Some laughing, some adjusting their gear, some gliding effortlessly down the slopes. The mountains rise majestically around us, their peaks sharp against the sky. The air is fresh and icy and invigorating. And it smells clean, like pine and adventure. The excitement in the car is contagious, filling me with electricity. We head over to the gear shop, stepping inside to the scent of waxed skis and fresh new fabric. I pick up my equipment. The weight of the boots feels solid in my hands. The smooth, cold metal of the skis. I strap everything on, and I feel a rush of anticipation. I can't wait to get out there. And then we take the ski lift up the mountain. The chairlift hums beneath us, carrying us higher and higher. Below, skiers carve graceful lines into the snow. Their colorful gear bright against the white landscape. I breathe in deeply, the cool air filling my lungs, fresh and pure. The mountains stretch endlessly before me, a vast, breathtaking expanse. Reaching the top, I push off, gliding down effortlessly. The snow is soft beneath my skis. Each turn is smooth. Each movement is fluid and free. And my body feels strong and capable. I pick up speed. The rush of wind against my face is exhilarating. And I laugh out loud. Pure joy bubbles up from within. I feel weightless, powerful, and free. Every muscle in my body moves with ease, working in perfect harmony. We ski for hours, up and down, through tree-lined trails, across wide open runs, and eventually we take a break for lunch, finding a spot by the lodge with steaming bowls of soup and fresh baked bread. The first bite is warm, rich, and deeply satisfying. The fire crackles nearby, and I sink into the moment, feeling nourished, grateful, warm, and completely at peace. And after lunch, we hit the slopes again, soaking up every last bit of daylight. The sky shifts to a golden hue. The sun dips behind the peaks. And finally, as dusk settles in, we head back to the cabin. Evening comes quickly, and we change into warm, comfortable clothes to head out for dinner at a cozy mountain lodge. The restaurant glows with soft candlelight, and the scent of sizzling steak, roasted vegetables, and baked bread. It smells so good in the restaurant. My plate arrives. Tender roasted chicken with a golden crispy skin, served alongside creamy mashed potatoes and buttery green beans. And the first bite is juicy and full of flavor. The seasoning is perfectly balanced, and I savor it slowly, enjoying the warmth, the conversation, the companionship of my loved ones, the buzzing atmosphere of the restaurant, and the feeling of complete contentment. And back at the cabin, we change into our swimsuits and step outside into the steaming hot tub. The cold night air contrasts perfectly with the bubbling warmth of the water. And I sink in, every muscle relaxing. Above the sky is an endless expanse of stars, clear and brilliant. The steam rises around us, carrying away any last bits of tension. I close my eyes, feeling the heat seep into my skin, into my bones. My body feels weightless and my mind at ease. I breathe in deeply and exhale slowly, letting everything settle. Feeling deeply at peace and deeply whole. The warmth spreads through me like a soft golden light, filling every cell, wrapping around every muscle. It feels like vitality, like healing, like absolute well-being. Being here with my loved ones, laughter, chatting, bonding. I take one last deep breath, soaking in the feeling of pure relaxation, gratitude, and joy. I am here. I am well. And I am free. Welcome back, dear friend. Let's take a deep breath in and let it out before we go. Just taking a moment to wake our bodies up. If your eyes are closed, you can open them. And thank yourself for showing up and giving yourself this moment of self-care in the form of visualization. And thanks for joining me. I had so much fun. Come back anytime.